everyone, welcome back to another vlog. As you can see from the background, I have officially moved in to my new place. As I'm filming this intro, I'm pretty much all settled in now. I just wanted to talk a little bit about the move before we get into the rest of the vlog. I was on a roll with content for filming this move. I was going through some health issues, and because of that, I really wasn't able to film as much as I wanted, but I have bits and pieces here and there that I wanted to share. I wasn't sure if I was gonna film. Honestly, I haven't been showing my face in a lot of the vlogs just because I haven't been feeling the greatest, first of all. But on top of that, the medications that I'm on right now, face seems a little bit chubbier. So that's just me not wanting to be on camera. I still wanted to film this intro and talk about the move because it's a very exciting chapter. The move itself was very exhausting, juggling work and trying to find the time to get settled, move, build furniture. It was a lot, but I was super grateful that I could move in basically like a few days and then just like slowly start building furniture and stuff. All in all, I went turbo mode to get settled into this house. Every time I walk into this house, I feel so much peace. I feel so much excitement and happiness being in this home. It's everything that I wanted. You'll see bits and pieces of the home for sure. I really love the Japandi feel, and you see definitely a lot of that influence in how I decorated the home. But yeah, I also wanted to make the home super cozy, because that was super important to me, to create like a very cozy environment. I can't believe that we are here. It's been such a journey to get here, and I have hinted to it in the vlogs, but it's definitely been months and months and months and months in the making. As I mentioned before, I'm so grateful to my parents. I'm so grateful to everyone who was a part of this massive project. We basically took this cute home and stripped it all down to the bones, redid everything. It's beautiful. There was so much like love put into this home. Everyone who made this possible. And yeah, the contractor I had was phenomenal. So yeah, all in all, the home is perfect in every way, and I'm so excited. And I never thought that I could be in this position to feel the way that I do right now. I've overcome so much this year that 10 years down the road, that Joey's gonna look back and be like, wow, this girl did it. But that's all I really wanted to say. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Healing in your 30s hits differently. It's about sitting with your discomfort and finally facing the things you've been avoiding for years. It's learning to unlearn the stories you were told about who you should be and realizing you get to decide who you actually are. It's outgrowing people you thought would be in your life forever. It's choosing yourself even when it means starting over. It's being honest about what you want and walking away even when it's painful. But it's also freeing. It's laughing louder, crying harder, and feeling more at home in your own skin than you ever thought possible. It's a moment you realize you don't have to apologize for being you. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're healing. And this is exactly what becoming looks like. Today is moving day, and it's actually quite emotional. It's been such a journey to get here, and there's emotions of joy, relief, and sadness that comes with this new chapter.
right, I assembled it. I actually had to disassemble the legs because one was upside down. Classic Joey, but it's looking cute.
It's moving day 2 and I am tackling my closet room. Hi, Juno. Welcome home. Christmas is one of my favorite times of the year, so you know I had to make sure that I had a Christmas tree ready for this new house. The house is finally coming together, and didn't realize that lining my cabinets could be so therapeutic. And that's a wrap for part 1 of the moving series. There's going to be a lot more content to come in this new home, so stay tuned.